In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule send an email in Outlook. This is a handy way to write messages now and have them automatically deliver later, which is great for reaching people during their work hours, hitting deadlines, or avoiding late night emails. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, click All Microsoft to see the full list of services, then select Outlook. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account so you can access your mailbox. Once you're in Outlook on the web, click New Mail to start a new message. Compose the content of your email just like you normally would. Add the recipient's email address, type a clear subject line, and write your message in the body. If you need to, attach files and make sure everything looks correct. A quick tip here: keep your subject concise and your message structured, especially if it will be read first thing in the morning. It helps your recipient understand the purpose immediately. When your email is ready, look for the send button. Next to it, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open more options, then choose Schedule Send from the drop-down menu. Outlook will show you a few suggested times you can use right away. If one of those fits your plan, select it. If not, choose the custom time option to set a specific date and exact time that works for you. In the custom scheduler, pick the date and time you want the email to go out. Take a moment to check your time zone settings and consider where your recipient is located. Scheduling for their workday often increases the chance of a quick reply. When your time looks good, confirm your selection. Now click Send. Don't worry, this won't send the email immediately. Instead, Outlook will securely queue it to deliver at the time you chose. Because this is handled by Outlook in the cloud, you can sign out or even close your browser, and your message will still be sent at the scheduled time. If you change your mind before it goes out, Outlook allows you to adjust or cancel a scheduled message so you're not locked in. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to send an email in Outlook, saving yourself time and making your communication more effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear, straightforward tutorials.